Want to launch your website quickly and easily? In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to launch your website on Bluehost, one of the most beginner-friendly and reliable hosting platforms out there. Whether it's a blog, business site, online store, or portfolio, by the end of this Bluehost tutorial, you'll have your site live and ready for the world. And if you want the best Bluehost discount, click the link in the description below. You'll get an exclusive Bluehost discount, getting up to 80% off Bluehost hosting, plus a free domain name. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Bluehost hosting discount. The first thing you want to do to launch a website on Bluehost is to click the link in the description below to be taken to Bluehost. Click Get Started Now. You'll see several hosting plans you can choose from. The starter plan is great for beginners. This plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes NVMe storage, and is ideal for 40,000 visits per month. The business plan is good for growing sites. This plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, ideal for 200,000 website visits per month, phone support, malware detection and removal, domain privacy free for the first year, and daily website backups free for the first year. The e-commerce essentials plan is good for online stores. This plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, and is ideal for 400,000 website visits per month. Built-in secure payment processing, WooCommerce auto install, support for subscriptions, memberships, and paid courses, launch an affiliate program, create custom email templates, and offer easy social logins for your customers. Pick the plan that works best for you. For this tutorial, I'll be going with the starter plan. Next, you'll choose your domain name, which is your website's address, like yourname.com. Bluehost includes a free domain for the first year, so type in your desired domain. You can choose the domain extension you'd like and click the search for domain to check availability. If you already have a domain name, enter it in the section that says, I want to use a domain I already own. Not ready to choose a domain yet? Just click the Choose Domain Later link and you'll still get your free domain and can pick it from your Bluehost dashboard. You'll see an option for domain privacy plus protection. I highly recommend keeping this selected as it keeps your personal information private so spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your email or phone. By default, when you register your domain name, your information is added to the public whois database, which is required by domain regulations. With domain privacy plus protection, Bluehost contact information is displayed instead of yours, keeping you safe and private. Now you'll be on the cart page. Here you can see your hosting plan, and from the drop-down, you can select the term for your purchase. Choosing the 3-year term gives you the lowest pricing. Here you'll see the add-ons. All these are optional, so if you don't want any, just click the trash can icon to remove them. The professional email add-on gives you an email address with your domain name, plus a custom inbox, ad security, sync contacts and calendars, file sharing via Drive, task management, and access to a full suite of productivity tools. That said, Bluehost already includes free email addresses with your domain, so this add-on is only necessary if you want all the extra features of professional email. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. Then enter your contact and account information, choose your payment method, and fill in your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. Bluehost will email you a receipt, and you'll be taken to a thank you page while your hosting account finishes setting up. Once your account is set up, Bluehost makes it super easy. WordPress will be installed automatically for you. This means you can start customizing your website right away. You'll see the Login to WordPress button. Click it to go straight to WordPress. You'll then arrive at the Welcome to WordPress page. You'll see that you can either create your site using the AI Site Creator or import an existing WordPress website. For this tutorial, I'll be launching our website with WordPress without using these options. Here's what you need to do instead. To access WordPress, start in your Bluehost dashboard. From the Home section, click Websites in the left-hand menu. You'll see your site listed. Just click Edit Site to open the WordPress dashboard. Before we start picking out a theme and launching our site, let's go over the Bluehost control panel. From the Home section, click Websites in the left-hand menu. Clicking Edit Site takes you to the WordPress dashboard, where you can start creating and editing your website. If you click Settings, you'll see your Bluehost name servers listed in case you need them. Before we choose a theme, it's important to secure our domain with HTTPS using a free SSL certificate. To do this, click Edit Site to go to WordPress. Then hover over Settings in the left-hand menu and select General. Here, update both the WordPress address URL and site address URL to use HTTPS instead of HTTP. Scroll down and click Save Changes. WordPress will log you out automatically because of the URL change. Just log back in, and your site will now be secure. Now I want to go over how to pick out a theme to begin creating your site. To pick out a theme for your site, on the far left you will see tabs. Find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes is where you can pick out a theme for your site. Next, click Add New Theme. You'll now see WordPress themes that you can choose from. There are thousands of free themes to choose from. Now I want to show you how to access free professionally designed WordPress themes and how to edit them easily with the drag and drop editor. Type in Astra in the search field. Click the Install button. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. Once it is done activating the theme, you want to find the Plugins tab in the side menu. Click Add New. In the search field, type in Starter Templates. You want to click Install on it, then click Activate. Hover over the Appearance tab in the side menu. Click on Starter Templates. You will now see how you would like to build your website. I'll select the classic Starter Templates. Click the Build with Templates button. Choose Elementor for the page builder. On this page, if you ever see something other than Elementor showing up at the top, just click on the drop-down and select Elementor. It'll now showcase a bunch of WordPress themes you can build your site with using drag and drop. You can type in the type of website you want to create to pull up templates based on that. You'll see a bunch of categories you can hover over and select to build your site. If you click a theme, it'll show you what it will look like so you can preview it. Click the X button to go back to the themes page. Something I want to mention, any of the templates, no matter the category and what they are called, can be used for your website. You can easily change and edit the templates to what you like when creating your WordPress site. Just find a template you like, and then you can start making it your own, no matter what category the template is in. Select the theme you want. I'll select this theme here called Love Nature. You can upload a logo if you'd like. You can do this at a later time, so if you don't have one now, no worries. You can now choose the font and colors for your site. You can update these at a later time or change them whenever you'd like. I cover this later in the video. Click the Continue button. You'll now be on the Select Features page. Feel free to select any features you want. I'll click Skip this step. You'll now be on the Tell us a little about yourself page. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to. Just make sure under Advanced Options you have each one selected. Click the Submit and Build My Website button. It'll begin building your website. Once it is done, you'll be on the Congratulations page. Click the View Your Website button. It'll now take you to your website and what it looks like. To make edits to your site, click the Edit with Elementor tab at the top of the page. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can easily make changes to your site. You can click on something and then type in the text you want. If you click Style, you can make changes to the style. You can click on something and move things around. If you click the plus icon here at the top left of the page, you can easily drag stuff over from the left into the page where you want. You can click an image to put in your own image. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Drag Widget section, click the Starter Templates icon. Click Blocks in the menu. You can then choose from lots of block templates that you can add to your site. I'll click one. I'll click the Import Block button. It's now been added to the page. To change the background color of a section, right-click in the top section. Click Edit section. Click Style. Where you see color, click into this to change the color to what you'd like. To add a new section to the page, hover over an area on the page you want to add the new section. click the plus icon. Click the plus icon showing again. Next, select Flexbox. Next, choose the structure for the section. Click the plus icon here at the top. You can then drag stuff into the section. To remove a section, hover over it and click the X button to remove it. If you want to move a section to somewhere else on the page, just hover over it and click the middle icon with the dots. You can drag it up or down to move it to somewhere else on the page. If you want to change a background image for a section, right-click in this top section. Click Edit Container. Click Style. You'll see the image here. Click into it and you can upload an image or choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. Next, click Background Overlay. Click into Color. You can change the background color. Where you see opacity, you can drag this over to get it how you like. You will see Publish in the top right. Click this when you want to publish changes you've made to your site. If you click the arrow, you can save the page as a draft or save the page as a template to then use as a template for another page you create. If you want to view changes you've made to your site, click the eye icon and it will show you a preview of your site. If you click the desktop icon, it'll show you what your changes look like on desktop devices. The tablet icon will show tablet devices, and the mobile icon will show mobile devices. If you click the Elementor menu icon and click History, then click Revisions, it'll list out all the revisions for your site that it has pre-saved. If you click one, it'll bring your site edits back to how they were at the time of that edit. If you click the Elementor menu icon and click Exit to WordPress, then click the WordPress icon in the top left, it'll take you to the WordPress dashboard. To edit the contact form shown here on the Contact Us page, from the WordPress dashboard, click on WP Forms. Hover over the Contact Us form showing here. Click Edit underneath it. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can make edits to your contact form. If you want to make edits to the menu on your site, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance and click Menus. This is where you can edit the menu on your site. You can add new pages to the menu or drag a page to a different order. If you click the tiny arrow, you can change the name of it or completely delete it from the menu. If you want to create a completely new menu, you can click Create a New Menu. If you want to edit the footer, header, and logo of your site, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance in the left side menu and click Customize. To edit the footer, click Footer. You can then click an area in the footer area where you see the pencil icon to start making edits to that section. You can click the X button to remove that area from the footer. To edit the header area of your site, scroll up to the top of the page. If you click into the header area of your site on something, you can make edits. If you want to remove something in the header, just find it here and click the X button to remove it from the header. In this section, you can move things around to change the look of the menu area to get it how you'd like it. If you click the pencil icon where you see the logo, it'll pull up where you can remove the current logo and add your own logo. I'm going to click the back arrow twice. If you click Site Identity, you can then upload a favicon, which is the site icon for your site. If you click Site Title and Logo Settings, you'll be able to change the site title for your site. You'll see Tagline is where you can change the tagline for your site. I'll click the back button twice. If you click Global, Typography is where you can change the fonts used for your site. Colors is where you can change the colors for your site. Buttons is where you can change the button presets and colors used. Finally, let's cover launching your website so it's live and visible to visitors. From the WordPress dashboard, hover over Bluehost and click Settings. At the top, you'll see the site status not live with the coming soon page toggle turned on. Simply click the toggle to turn off the coming soon page. Once you do this, your website is live and ready for visitors to see. And that's it. Launching a website on Bluehost is that simple. If you found this video helpful, Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more website tutorials. Remember, use the link in the description to get the best Bluehost discount and start building your site today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.